This is Keon sitting up all by himself. Come here. Show everybody. Sit up. Yeah, you're so excited. He's still holding my hand, but he's doing it. Don't you throw up on me. Really? Really? Who are you telling? He's sitting up all by himself now? Holding his own head up? Like a big boy? Okay, we're having a breakdown. Okay, that's the end.